Ever felt a financial app just wasn't vibing with you anymore? Maybe the pockets lost their charm, or the metal card feels a little too cold. Whatever the reason, closing your Vivid Money account is totally normal, and we're here to walk you through the process step by step. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Closing your Vivid account means saying goodbye to all the pockets, cards, and any ongoing features you might have. So, if there's a chance you might want to come back later, consider just pausing your account instead. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get to account closure. Step 1. Prepare for takeoff, emptying your pockets. Think of your Vivid account as a spaceship. Before you can blast off to new financial frontiers, you gotta make sure there's nothing left on board. That means dealing with any money sitting in your pockets. Positive balance. Got a wad of cash chilling in your Vivid pockets? You'll want to transfer that out to another bank account. Vivid doesn't mention any fees for outgoing transfers, so that's a plus. Negative balance. Did you accidentally overdraw? No worries, Vivid won't let you close the account until you clear that negative balance. Top it up with some cash before proceeding. Step 2. Pocket annihilation, deleting those pockets. With your pockets emptied, it's time to say sayonara. Here's how to delete those pockets one by one. Open the Vivid Money app and navigate to the Accounts section. Pick the pocket you want to vaporize. We recommend starting with the non-essential ones. Tap on the settings icon, that little gear symbol, in the top right corner. Look for the Delete Pocket option lurking at the bottom of the screen. Confirm with a tap, and poof! That pocket is gone. Repeat this process for each and every pocket you want to delete. Step 3. Card deactivation, farewell, plastic friend. Once your pockets are just a distant memory, it's time to deal with your Vivid card. You wouldn't want someone else using it after you've left the Vivid galaxy, would you? Here's how to deactivate that card. Open the Vivid Money app, one last time, we promise. Navigate to the card section, it should be pretty easy to find. Locate the Deactivate Card option. A tap is all it takes to render your card useless, for purchases, at least. Step 4. The grand finale, closing your main pocket and account. With your pockets and card dealt with, it's time for the main event, closing your entire Vivid Money account. Here's where things get a little different depending on whether you have a Vivid Standard account or a Vivid Prime account. Vivid Standard, once all your other pockets are gone, your main pocket, also known as the money pocket, becomes the last one standing. Follow the same deletion process you used for the other pockets, and that's it. Your Vivid account is officially closed. Vivid Prime, hold on a sec, Prime users. There's one extra step involved. Since Vivid Prime comes with some investment features, you'll need to make sure you've sold off any investments before deleting your main pocket. Vivid will remind you of this step within the app, so don't worry about missing it. Once your investments are gone, follow the same deletion process as Vivid Standard users. Important note, patience is a virtue. There's a small chance you might encounter a little delay in the account closure process. If you made a recent card payment, Vivid might need some time, up to 45 days, to settle things before allowing you to delete your main pocket. Just chill for a bit, and you should be good to go. Bidding farewell to Vivid Money. And there you have it. With your pockets deleted, card deactivated, and main account closed, you've successfully exited the Vivid Money universe. We hope this guide made the process smooth and painless. Remember, closing your account means saying goodbye to all your data with Vivid. If there's anything you want to keep, make sure to download it before hitting the delete button. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.